Choose the correct answer. In the division 4235 divided by 35 equal 121. You want to find the divisor in this division. Okay, 4235 we call this the dividend, and 35 the divisor, 121 we call it the quotient. Then 35 here is the divisor, so the result here will be 35. Choose letter B about question number 1. Question number 2. Using the opposite area model to divide 3084 by 12. Then find the value of x. The value of x equal what? Okay, look at the area model here. We have the dividend here, 3084, and the divisor here 12, and the quotient will be 100 plus 100 plus 7 plus x. We want to find the value of x here. We have 600 here equal x by 12. X by 12 equal 600. Okay, so to find the value of x here, you must divide 600 by 12. Question number 3 or number 2 here. We have this question, 3084 divided by 12. The result will be 100 plus 100 plus x plus 7. We want to find the value of x here. To find the value of this unknown here, you must divide it 600 by 12. Then x will be 600 divided by 12. We know 60 divided by 12 equal 5, and 0 divided by 12 equal 0. Then x here will be 50. The value of unknown variable here, x, will be 50. Choose letter P about question number 2. Okay, it was question letter E here and letter B, and now we'll solve letter C. Look at letter C here. By using the following area model to divide, then the suitable division equation is what? Look at here with me. We know the dividend here 1456. We called it the dividend. You must write 1456 divided by 13. We called it the divisor. And the quotient here 100 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. 100 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. The result will be 100 here, 1 in 100, 1 in tens, 1 plus 1 equal 2. So the result will be 112. What about the result here? You must choose letter C. Okay, letter C here, 1456 divided by 13 equal 112. Understood? 112. Question letter D. If 3012 divided by 12 equal 251, then 251 times 12 equal what? 212 multiplication by 12 equal 3012. So the result here will be 3012. Choose letter P. Question letter E. If 14 by 365 equal 5110, then 511 divided by 12 or divided by 14, we know the dividend was changed by added 1, so the remainder will be 1. The result here will be 365 and the remainder 1, because 5000 111 is greater than 5110, and the difference between two numbers here equal 1, so the remainder will be 1. You must write 365 and the remainder 1. Choose letter C. Again, we can find the result by this example. 5111 divided by 14. We can find the result from this equation. 14 by 365 equal 5110, but it was 5111, so the difference between two numbers here equal 1. Then the remainder will be 1, and the quotient here will be 365. Okay, choose letter C. Question F. Letter F. 3681 divided by 35 equal 105, and the remainder space. To find the remainder, you have two methods. First, you can find the example here. 3681 divided by 35, and then write 35 here in the divisor, and it's called the dividend, and the quotient here 105, and then complete. 1 times 35 equal 35. The difference here equal 1. Drop 8. It will be 18 divided 35 equals 0, and then drop next digit. 181 divided 35 equal 5. 5 times 5 equal 25. Write 5 and carry up 2. 3 times 5 equal 15. 15 plus 2 equals 17. And then find the difference between them equal 6. So the remainder here will be 6 about this example. Okay, or you can solve this example by another method, by multiplication. Two numbers here, 105 times by 35. 5 times 5 equal 25. 1 times 5 equal 5 plus 0. 3 times 5 equal 15, and 3 times 1 equal 3. 0 plus 5 equal 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And drop 3, and then find the remainder here, the difference between the dividend 3681 subtracted by the result here 3675, and then find the difference between them. It will be 11 minus 5 equals 6, so the remainder here will be 6. You have two methods about this example. It's the first method and it's the second method, and as you like to find the result, when you want to find the result, you must solve them by any methods you like. Okay, it was question letter F. Here choose letter D. Okay, question letter G. 1212 divided by 12 equal space. You can find the result here by using steps divided from left hand side. G 1212 divided by 12. You know, 1 divided by 12 we can't do it. Then 12 divided by 12 equal 1, and 1 divided by 12 equals 0. 12 divided by 12 equal 1. The result will be 101. Choose letter C. Question number 2. Complete the following. Letter A. 3915 divided by 15. 3915 divided by 15. Use long division here. Write 3915 divided by 15. We call the dividend and the divisor, and we want to find the quotient. 3 divided by 15, we can't do it. 39 divided by 15 equal 2. 2 times 15 equal 30. The difference here 9, and then drop 1. 91 divided by 15. 6 times 15 equal 90. The difference between them 1, and then drop 5 here. It will be 15 divided by 15 equal 1. So the difference between them equals 0. Then the quotient here 261. 261. Okay, understood? Next question letter B. If the price of 16 boxes is 560 pounds, then the price of each box equals space. We can find the price of each box by using long division between two numbers. Here, look at the steps with me about letter B. Long division, 560 divided by, again, 560 divided by 16. Alright, 550 here divided by 16. 5 divided by 16, we can't do it, put 0. 56 divided by 15 equal what? We can disappear one digit by one digit here, and 5 divided by 1 equal 5. But 5 times 16 equal 80. 4 times 46 is greater than this number. And 3 times 16 equal 48. Write 3 here. 3 times 6 equal 18. 8 and the carry of 1. 1 times 3 equal 3 plus 1 equal 4. And then 6 minus 8, we can do it. Put 1. It will be 16 and here 4. 16 minus 8 equal 8. Then drop 0. 80 divided by 16 equal 5. 5 times 16 equal 80. So the result here will be 35. Understood? The result here will be 35 about question letter B. Then the price of each book equal 35 pounds. 35 pounds. Question here letter C. Quotient multiplication divisor, it's the rule, plus the remainder equal dividend. Quotient times divisor plus remainder equal dividend. Quotient D, 3561 divided by 1 equal this number, 3561. Okay, letter E, 0 divided by any number equals 0 without itself, because 0 divided by 0 undefined. 0 divided by 51,362 equals 0. Question F, 120 divided by 20. We can cancel 0 by 0 divided by 10, first number and second number, and 112 divided by 2 equals 6. Question letter G, the quotient in the opposite area model here. Okay, we can find the quotient here by add all the numbers in the top. 60 plus 4. 60 plus 4 equals 64. So the quotient about this example will be 64. If you want to find the equation here, you can write 2240 is the first. Okay, 2240 divided by 35 equals 64. You can find this equation to write this number, we called it the dividend, and 35 the divisor, and 60 plus 4 equals 64, we called it the quotient. And what about quotient letter H here? The quotient of 54 divided by 5 equal 10. Then the remainder here, we called it what? We can find the remainder about quotient number H, because 54 divided by 5 equal 10. 10 is the quotient. So you can find the remainder by multiplication, the quotient by divisor, and the result subtracted from the dividend. Write the dividend in the first, subtract multiplication 5 by 10. So the remainder equal the divisor multiplication by the quotient subtracted from the dividend. Right, 54 subtract by 5 times 10 equal 50. Then the remainder here, it will be 4. Okay, 54 subtract by 50 equal 4. It's the remainder about question letter H. Now we will solve question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Letter A, the remainder in the equation 36 divided by 9 equal 4 is 0 because 4 times 9 equal 36. Okay, choose letter D about question letter A. Again, 36 divided by 9 we know equal 4. Then the remainder here equals 0. Question letter B. A man bought 12 toys for 288 Egyptian lira. Then the price of each toy is space. We used here the division between two numbers to find the price of each toy. Okay, 12 is the dividend or the divisor, 12 is the divisor. Okay, and the dividend here 288. 288 divided by 12 equal what? We want to find the price of each toy here. 288 divided by 12. 2 divided by 12 we can't do it, but 0. And 28 divided by 12 equal 2. 2 times 12 equal 24. And the difference between two numbers here 4. Then drop the next digits here 4. 84 divided by 12 equal 4. Because 4 times 12 equal 48. And then the difference between two numbers here 0. So we have the remainder here. Then the result will be 24. 24. Choose letter P. The price of each toy is 24 Egyptian lira. Question letter C. We have 3,124 divided the same number here, 3,124. Then the result will be 1. Any number divided by itself equal 1. Choose letter D. Question letter D here. If 4,150 divided by 29 equal 14 or 134, this number 143 and the remainder space. You want to find the remainder about question letter D again. 4,150 divided by 29 equal 143 and the remainder space. To find the remainder, you can write the dividend, subtract, write 4,150, subtract by the multiplication between 29, the divisor, and 143, the quotient, to find what? The remainder. First step, we can find the multiplication between two numbers by using long multiplication here. Write 143 by 29. 3 times 9 equal 27. Write 7 and carry up 2. 4 times 9 equal 36. 36 plus 2 equal 38. Write 8 and carry up 3. 1 times 9 equal 9. 9 plus 3 equal 12. And then put 0. 2 times 3 equal 6. And 2 times 4 equal 8. 2 times 1 equal 2. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 6 plus 8 equal 14. 4 and carry up 1. 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8 equal 11. 1 and carry up 1. 2 plus 2 equal 4. So the difference will be what? To get the remainder, you can write 4,150 here, the dividend, subtract by the result here, 4,147 to find the remainder. The remainder will be 3. Again, to find the remainder, you must find the multiplication between the divisor and the quotient and the result between them, subtract from the dividend. So the remainder here will be equal 3. Okay, question letter E. We have 7 minus 0, it's 7, not 3. Okay, the remainder here will be 7. 7 minus 0 equals 7. Okay, the remainder here will be 7. Choose letter B. Okay, understood. Next question, letter F. If 840 divided by 24 equal 35, then 24 times 35 or 35 times 24 plus 5 equal space. We know, look at with me here, about 35 multiplication by 24, the result will be 840. The multiplication between the divisor and the quotient equals the dividend. Then the result here between 35 by 24 equal 840. First step here we find the multiplication first, and the next step add 5 to the result. 840 plus 5, it will be 845. Letter C, choose letter C about question number F, letter F. Question letter G, using the opposite area model to divide it, 1530 divided by x, then find the value of x here about area model. Look at with me about area model here. We have the tables. Okay, and he divided it two parts and then divided here quality, right, 100 here and 2 and here x, and the dividend 1530 and here 1500, the difference between them equal 30, and then write 30 again here. 30 divided by what equal, or 2 times what equals 30. We know 2 times 15, right here 15, or 100 times 15 equal 1500. So the value here of x equal 15. X equal what? Equal 15. To find x, you must find the result between 1500 divided by 100. Find the result or the quotient by 1500 and 100, or 30 by 2. 30 divided by 2 equal 15. Okay, choose letter D about this question, letter G. Okay, understood? Okay, next question here. Number 4, divide using standard algorithm. Standard algorithm. Okay, long division here. Standard algorithm, it's meaning long division. Okay, my students, here we can write the dividend 5262 divided by 57. We will solve this example by left hand side first. 5 divides this number, we can't do it, put 0. And 52 divided by 57, we can't do it, put 0. And 526 divided by 57 equal what? You can disappear one digit by one digit here, and 52 divided by 5 equal 10, but you can find the result by multiplication by 9. 5 times 9 equal 45. So you can disappear one digit by one digit and then divided the remainder here 52 by 5. So the nearest digit will be 9. 7 times 9 equals 63. Write 3 and carry up 6. 5 times 9 equal 45. 45 plus 6 equal 51. So the result here will be 513. It's less than 526. You must write 9 outside and write 513 down here, and find the difference between two numbers. 6 minus 3 equal 3, and 2 minus 1 equal 1. 5 minus 5 equals 0. And then drop the next digit here, 2. 132 divided by 57. We know 2 disappeared by 2, and 13 divided by 5 equal 2. Okay, you can write here 2 outside, because 2 times 7 equal 14, 4 and carry up 1, 2 times 5 equal 10, 10 plus 1 equal 11. The difference between them equal what? It will be 12 here and here 2. 12 minus 4 equal 8, and 2 minus 1 equal 1. So it will be the remainder. Then the remainder here will be 18. Okay, then the result here will be 92 and the remainder 18. Okay, then you can write in the finished here, then 5262 divided by 57 equal 92 and the remainder 18. Okay, look at this example here. We want to find area model to find the result 6203 divided by 11. First step here, you must write the dividend in this part. Okay, write 6203 here and the divisor here. Okay, and then divide this part, divided from left hand side. 6 divided by 11 we can't do it with 0, and 62 divided by 11 equal 5 because 5 times 11 equal 55, and then write double 0 behind it. 0 times 11 equals 0, 0 times 11 equals 0, and then you can find the difference between two numbers here. 3 minus 0 equals 3, 0 minus 0 equals 0. 2 minus 5 we can't do it, put 1 from 6 here will be 5, and 2 will be 12. 12 minus 5 equals 7, and 5 minus 5 equals 0. Next step, write 703 up here, and then 703 divided by 11 here. Use steps. 7 divided by 11 we can't do it with 0, and 70 divided by 11 equals 6 because 6 by 11 equals 66, and then write 0 here. 0 times 11 equals 0. Find the difference between two numbers here. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Okay, and 0 minus 6 we can't do it, put 1, it will be 70, or 70 minus 60, or put 1 here, 10, 6, 10 minus 6 equals 4. The result here will be 43. Then write 43 in the top, and 43 divided by 11 equal what? Equal 3, because 3 times 11 equals 33, but 4 times 11 equals 44. It's greater than. You can write 3 here, because 4 divided by 11 we can't do it. Write 4 here. 4 times 11, no, for greatest you can write here 3. Again, 4 divided by 11 we can't do it with 0, and 43 divided by 11 equals 3. 3 times 11 equals 33. So the difference between them, write 0, and 4 minus 3 equal 1. Then you can write 703 plus 43 plus 10 to find what the result here. No, you can write this equation 6203 divided by 11 equal 500. You must add 500 to 60 to 3 to find the quotient. The result will be 563. Okay, the result here will be 563 and the remainder 10 because it's the remainder. Okay, understood? Again, 6203 divided by 11 equal 500. 500 times 11 equal 5500, and the difference between them 703. Right, 703 here. Divide this number by 11 equals 60. 60 times 11 equals 660, and the difference between them equal 43. Right, 43 here divided by 11 equal 3. 3 times 11 equal 33. The difference between them equal 10. Okay, so the result here, the quotient will be 563 and the remainder 10. It was question number 2. Question number 3. A teacher wants to distribute to 420 pages to 7 classes equally. How many pages per each class paired? Can find the result by using division between two numbers. We can write number of pizzas will be equal what? Will be 420 divided by 7. To 42 divided by 7 equals 6, and 0 divided by 7 equals 0. Then we want to find the number of what? Prizes. Again, a teacher wants to distribute 420 prizes, or prize to 7 classes equally. It's not pizza, okay? Well, here prizes, okay? Wanted to divide 420 prizes, so each student will get 60 prize. How many prizes per each class? Each class will be what? 60 prizes. Again, it's not pizza, okay, my students. Again, this example, a teacher wants to distribute 420 prizes to 7 classes. We have here 7 classes, okay. We want to find how many prizes. Count with me, how many prizes per each class. Each class will get 60 prizes, okay. Again, each class will get what? 60 prizes. Question number 4. There were 29 girls and 27 boys in a class. The teacher asked them to work in the groups of 8. How many groups there were? We can find first number of all students. You must add boys and girls to find the total number of students, and then we can find the number of each group by using the total divided by 8, because you want to divide it in 8 groups. Understood? Question number 4 again. We have 29 girls and 27 boys in the class. So we can find the total in the class by 8, 29 by 27 to find the boys and girls. You must add them to find the number of students in the class. 29 plus 27. 9 plus 7 equals 16. 6 and carry up 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So the total number here will be 56. It's a total. Okay. The teacher asked them to work in a groups of 8. How many groups there? We want to find how many group, but each group will have what? 8 students. We want divided 56 boys in each group, but each group contain of 8 students. Can you tell me how many students in 8 group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to divide it 56 to 8 groups. How many groups? 8 groups. Okay, we want to divide it 56 students at 8 groups, and I want to find how many students in each group. We can find the number of each the number of students in each group by divided 56 by 8. 56 divided by 8 equals 7. So each group, we can write each group equal 56 divided by 8 equal 7 students. Again, in this example, we have 29 girls and 27 boys in the class. We want to distribute the total 56 students, boys and girls, at how many groups? At 8 groups. 8 groups. I want to find how many students in each group. We can find the number of students in each group by using division. Using this operation, 56 divided by 8 equals 7. So each group equals 7 students.